Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Mathematics in 6. The topic of this tutorial is a mixed bag of exam DP test questions. Round 8, question 3.2. The question is included in the video. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I'm going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks even though your method and answer might be right. See the cautionary note at the beginning of the video. On a side note, watch until the end of the video. If you watch only the first 5 minutes, you will not gain a full understanding of what you need to do. There is no quick fix in mathematics. It takes persistence, discipline and repetition. You have to use these steps in order to succeed. Let's get straight into it. Okay, we have the same formula. Now we have to give the moment of inertia about the y-axis. So y has to be the subject of the formula. And it goes pi p over 4. The integral of 2 and 0 y to the power 4 dx. Okay, now what we're going to do is manipulate our formula to make y squared the subject of the formula, because to make it y to the power 4 is going to be a headache. So what we're going to do is say, take this and move it here. So we're going to say, then do a minus all the way through. So that is x squared over 4 minus 1 equals y squared. So the next step will be pi over 4, the integral of 1 over 4 x squared minus 1. Now all this is squared dx, because we've already got y squared. So y squared, and then we square it again to get y to the 4th. The next step after this is to FOIL this here. So what we have is a quarter x squared minus 1 times a quarter x squared minus 1. So a quarter times a quarter is 1/16. 1/16 x to the power 4. Now minus a quarter x squared. Now minus 1 comes here. Minus a quarter x squared. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. So what we have here is a quarter plus a quarter is a half. So 1/16 x to the power 4 minus 1/2 x squared plus 1. So what we're going to do now is put this into our sum. So now what we have is pi over 4 times 2 and 0. Now we've got 1/16 x to the power 4 minus a half x squared plus 1. Okay, now what we're going to do Now what we're going to do is make these fractions. So let's go. Now we can take out, no we can't. Can't take out anything here. So what we're going to do is say 16 times 5, because we're going to integrate now, pi over 4. We're going to integrate. So 1 over 16 times 1 over 5. 1 over 80 x to the power 5 minus 1 over 6 x cubed plus x, and that is 2 and 0. Now, looking at this, we see that all of these are together. Now, if we multiply by 0, put a 0 here, everything will equal 0. So we don't want that. So we just want the 2. We just want the 2. So it'll be pi over 4 times 1 over 80 times 2 to the power 5 minus 1 over 6 times 2 to the power 3 plus 2. And this will give us, this gives us 1 over 80 times 2 to the power 5 minus 1/6 times 2 to the power 3 plus 2. Then we are left with pi over 4 times 16 over 50. So, fifteen times 4 gives us 60. 16 over 60 gives us 4 over 15. So this will be 4 over 15 pi. And that is our final answer. 4 over 15 pi is our final answer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you'd like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.